Kaya may ML10 sa globe.
Ha?
May ML10 sa globe.
Hindi ko lang alam. Ano bang number? 56 0956 92 88
397.
Wala. Ano lang? Ano yung third? Ano cortex?
Hindi all net.
All network.
Yan.
So, under cortex sa all network.
Pwede maka-Facebook niya na?
120 lang. Saglit lang lang.
Hawig nga po. Sweet and spicy nga po po si Tonton. Dalawa. Sorry for the background noise. I went and drank water. Tsaka po isang nasapit yung may wife. Tsaka kanin isa. Tsaka isang diaper pa. Isang diaper.
Anong diet eh?
Large po.
Excel na lang yun.
Magkano po yun?
10.
Sige po. This is a super cute needle. It has beads inside. This is a super cute needle. It has beads inside.
65.
Super cute needle. I have a sleeve. Sorry for the background noise. May ano pa po eh? Sorry for the background. Wala po yung ano, ilang piso pa. Ay, magkano isa? Ayun yung pa isa na. Sorry for the background noise. It's too loud here.
Kasi,
Because I'm in the store. I am in the store. That's why it has so many sounds for the background noise. Buti na lang, wala pasang bukas.
3, 2, 1.
Sorry for the background noise. It's too hard. It's too
Gusto
hard.
niya. Bakit ang sa'yo?
My left hand can't do it. My right hand. This is my right hand. This is my left hand. Look at my right hand. Sorry for the background noise. This is my left hand. My left hand is too weak. Look.
Ha? Eh? Sarado na kasi sa dagat. Very good. Excuse ako dyan.
Just take a step aside. Let's go back.
Nakakatawa mo naman yung ulo mo.
Sorry for the background noise. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.